In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail to check mail from other accounts. This is a handy feature if you want to streamline your email management by centralizing all your emails in one place. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. You can do this by navigating to gmail.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your inbox, where all your current emails are located. This will serve as your central hub for managing emails from multiple accounts. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small gear icon. This icon represents the settings for your Gmail account. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you want to select See All Settings. This will open up a new section where you have a variety of options to manage your Gmail account. Once you are in the settings menu, look across the top for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on this tab and you'll be taken to a page that allows you to manage a variety of settings related to your account and how you import mail. It's here where you can add another email account to your Gmail. On this page, you'll see a section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Right next to this heading, find the Add a Mail Account link and click on it. This is where the magic happens. This feature allows you to integrate another email account into your Gmail. A new window will pop up, prompting you to input the email address you'd like to link to your Gmail. Simply type in the email address and press Next. Gmail will guide you with on-screen instructions to complete the setup. These steps may involve confirming your connection or inputting some server details. Just follow the prompts as they appear. And that's it. Once configured, Gmail will start checking this additional email account and fetching your emails right into your primary inbox. This makes it easier to manage your emails without needing to log into multiple accounts separately. Before wrapping up, a quick tip: if you receive a lot of emails, consider using filters and labels within Gmail to keep things organized. It can significantly streamline your email management and help maintain a clutter-free inbox. This concludes our setup process for checking mail from other accounts using Gmail. Integrating multiple email streams into one cohesive inbox can vastly improve your productivity and ensure you never miss an important message again. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.